a dozen mini pies, and Crystal ate 3 of them. How many mini pies are left?
I'm showing everyone how smart you are, Bethany.
I hate math.
Actually, you love it.
No, I don't.
You're the math brain in the family.
I don't dare. I hate it. You're making me nervous. No, we got no.
I'm cutting my hair today. I've never been to a salon in my life, except to pick up my cousin one time after her haircut. I've always done haircuts at home because they're cheap. And then I can get exactly what I want instead of trusting someone else to do it.
And where did you learn how to do this?
YouTube. Which means it doesn't always turn out. Cutting it yourself, you can always change it. Turned out once it mostly dried, still not all the way dry. Took off like a hand's width of hair, and definitely feels curlier, much more balanced. So that's good.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush.
This is my belly ball. I know.
I don't have another match.
Oh. Okay. Ow!
Okay.
And that's Kylo.
Below. Comment below if you
They're
like
both
her
very
hair.
colorful.
We are heading out for the day today. I'm not exactly sure what time we're going to be back. We should be back for supper. Ow. So I am just going to do red beans and rice for supper. It will cook in the slow cooker all day, and then when we get back, all we have to cook is some rice and add some veggie. And if we don't make it back in time for supper, it's still okay. It'll keep till tomorrow. Everybody's looking a little bit tired today, a little bit blah. It's been rainy and kind of miserable weather the last few days, so getting out is good, but everyone's just kind of feeling the weight of the weather and everything, but that's why we needed to get out.
I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know
grabbing Chick-fil-A for lunch, which I promise is not the only place we eat out at. It just happens to be handy in some of the smaller towns that have a Chick-fil-A, but don't have a lot of other options because, unlike most fast food, they have gluten-free buns, which keeps everybody happy. So that's where we're going.
Gluten-free buns. And that's, gluten-free people have to make their own. All the stuff is in there, but we have to put the bun on and stuff. And of course, yummy.
Yes, deliciousness.
You look so trendy. Finger licking delicious. That's like Wendy's, isn't it?
Oh, that was a monster bite.
I just bit my lip, it's so good. Oh.
Oh my gosh, girl. You're crazy. Yeah.
Good job, Jesse. I'm so beautiful? Thanks.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life.
Hey, how's it going?
Our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night.
Alright, shut the door.
We found a thrift store in the town that we're in, so we're heading in to check it out.
I said, yeah, call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, yeah, follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way.
I got A New Hope and The Phantom Menace. We're the first of each trilogy.
Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to.
I don't know. Below, you know how to play dominoes.
You will see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than one.
Yeah, mango sweet.
Little tabby on top. This is caramel. I don't usually go super fancy, but I thought, why not?
Yeah, follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way.
What do you get when you brush your teeth with dish soap? Bad breath? Bubble gum. I don't get it. When you brush your teeth with dish soap, you get bubble gums.
Use it as fish soap.
How do you know when it's raining cats and dogs? When you step in a poodle. P-O-O-D-L-E. Yes, Rebecca. You know what a poodle is? It's a dog. Oh, okay. A very fluffy dog.
I said, yeah.
Sticker. Thank you very much. You take care. We'll see you next time.
Leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, yeah, follow the spark.
funny. You were not there. It was hitting me and smacking me, right, buddy?
Put your shoes away, y'all. That is not away, Emily. Put them away. At the thrift store, I got 2 CDs, Joni Mitchell CDs. I'm gonna be putting them on the laptop and then transferring them to my iPhone.
We're adding that to the sticker wall. Friends don't let friends drink bad coffee.
Red beans and rice. They turned out pretty good, a little bit soupy. So you gotta pick this side or this side?
This time.
Rufio! Rufio! Name the movie. This is how you homeschool. This is a jelly bean. It's a jelly bean, son. You're gonna love them. Delicious. See?
Jelly beans are delicious.
I'm not doing the whole green is blue and red is yellow yet, but that's next week.
Yeah, that's my piece.